In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Webflow templates for free. This simple guide will walk you through finding and using free templates to build your website without spending a dime. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Google and type in Webflow. Once you find the official Webflow site, look for the options to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If you're new to Webflow, no worries. Just follow the prompts to create a free account. Setting up your account should only take a few moments, and once that's done, you're ready to explore the wide world of templates. Next, you'll want to navigate to Webflow's template marketplace. This is the hub where you can browse through countless designs to find one that suits your project. Whether it's for a portfolio, a business, or a blog, there's something for everyone. Once you're in the marketplace, focus your attention on finding the free category. Webflow makes this easy with filters that allow you to specifically seek out free templates. These templates are just as visually stunning and functional as the paid ones, providing a great starting point for your website. After you've filtered your search, take some time to scroll through the options and select a template that aligns with your vision and needs. Keep in mind the layout and style that would best showcase your content. Once you've found the perfect template, click on the Use for Free button. This action will open your chosen template directly in the Webflow Designer where the magic happens. In the Designer, you'll be given the option to either start a brand new site using the template or bring it into an existing project. This flexibility is one of Webflow's strengths. Depending on what you want to achieve, you can customize the template to meet your precise specifications. Whether it's changing colors, adding images, or adjusting text, make sure the design feels uniquely yours. Finally, once you're satisfied with your edits and your site is ready to go live, you can easily publish it. Webflow provides the tools to smoothly bring your site from the draft stage to a live, accessible website. It's a rewarding moment to see your hard work available to the world online. And there you have it. You've navigated through Webflow's platform, selected a beautiful free template, personalized it, and published your very own website. All of this at no cost, thanks to Webflow's user-friendly interface and comprehensive template marketplace. Enjoy bringing your creative ideas to life with these powerful tools. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.